Good morning, everybody. This is Cliff with Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today, working in Odessa, Florida. We're here for a driveway and patio cleaning. I got this lead here from a realtor I do a lot of work for. I guess this house is gonna be on the market soon, so I'm here to freshen it up and get it looking good. We got some pavers here in the front. Go to the sidewalk, and the back has pavers as well. And I got a second job today from a property management company. They manage Airbnbs, so I'm gonna do their spot over there in Tampa. If you guys haven't yet, subscribe, like, and leave a comment, and hit the bell for new content. Let me show y'all the job. So this is the sidewalks right here. Get that cleaned up. You can see got some stains. We're gonna do a post treatment on here. We're not gonna do the pre-treat, just post treat, get rid of the tinting stains. You can see there's some more here on the sidewalk. We'll go to the property line, clean the curbs, and of course get the driveway done. Got a little bit of weeds growing in the joints right here. You can see they probably get the water settled in this area so bad that it starts to grow the algae more towards this side here. Look like there's sand sitting right there too. We'll do the front porch. Get rid of these weeds. Move this out the way. Show y'all the back. This is the pool area. And I've got the patio here as well. You got a little bit of weeds going over here. The cage is looking good. They don't want the cage done. They got a broken branch right here. Just gonna stand that up. I don't want to be. Oh, there it goes that way. It's just out of my way. That should be good. And I probably knock out this little piece too. Why not? Outside. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Like I said, I'm not gonna pre-treat, put anything down first. I'm gonna do it after post-treat. here is nice and clean. Like I said, I'm gonna put a post treatment on here. I'm gonna do the back first. Post treat the back, and then I'm gonna come up here, post treat the front, and then wrap it up. The water flow is pretty bad up here. I bought half a tank on each tank, so that's about at least 300 gallons, over like 350 that I brought, and I'm down to like 150, less than 150 right now, about 125. So bad flow over here. Sometimes it be like that. So I'm gonna go to the back and then wrap everything up with a post treatment. I'll show you guys the aftermath. Alright, y'all, we all wrapped up in the back here. Show you guys the little walkway here is clean and rinsed. Pool deck as well. Just throw the clothes. Yeah, a little bit of dirt got in the pool. It'll be alright. Move all this stuff, clean underneath. The realtor didn't tell the customers to move their stuff, so I'm gonna let it slide today. I'm gonna go show y'all the front. All right, this is the front end. The sidewalks is still drying, but this is the driveway here. Much brighter. Got a couple of spots right here, low spots that's still drying up. Everything else is good to go. The front door area right here too. It's clean as well. All right, we're gonna pack it up and head up to Tampa for another job. We'll see y'all when we get there. All right, we at Tampa now. We're gonna be doing this back patio. I've done this once before. Like I said, it manages Airbnb. You can see it's kind of green back here. We got a tree over the top of us, so it gets a lot of pollen on the pavers. We'll hit these chairs as well. There's outdoor furniture. We'll hit this couch too. You can see we got some green on that couch right there, some pollen on it. I'm gonna use the 8 GPM with a 19-inch surface cleaner because the water I came with is not gonna be able to stay up with the Mini Mondo and that 12 GPM, so we use the 19 and get it done. Let's go. All right, we all wrapped up here, and of course, stuff is already falling down on the deck I just cleaned. Look at this. Anyway, got the furniture cleaned off, chairs, tables. I rinsed off the grill. Got all that green off that was on these pavers down here. Rinsed the awning. Stuff already falling on the awning. Rinsed the chairs here, the table. This chair was pretty bad, pretty green. Got it cleaned up as well. Last time I did the driveway, but they got cars there, so can't do that today. But yeah, that's it for the day, man. Nice and early. I think it just hit noon. Just about to hit noon, actually. So half a day, not even a half a day. I started around almost 9 o'clock. All right, y'all. Thank y'all for checking out the video. I appreciate all the support. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and hit the bell for new content. And I'm gonna see y'all on the next one. Peace.